This video will show you how to set up your environment for CS135 on a Mac. Now, this will work for any Mac, whether you have an Intel-based machine or an Apple Silicon-based machine such as M1 or M2. To start, open the terminal app on your computer and check if you have the G++ compiler installed. To do this, type the command G++ space -- then version. Your terminal will ask you to install Xcode's command line tools. If you don't see that option, you can enter this command instead to install command line tools. Wait for the install to finish, and once it does, we can move on with the next step. Now we can try to execute the G++ version command again, and if we can see this, then that means that we were able to install it correctly. Running our first Hello World program. For this video, I will be showing you how to set up Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is free to download from the Microsoft website. Once you have it installed, open the application, then click on Open Folder. From here, we can create a new folder where we put all of our program files for this course. If you don't already have one created, you can do so here. Once you open the folder, it will ask you if you want to trust all of the files in this folder. Choose yes. Next, we are going to install the C++ extension for VS Code. This is what will allow us to autocomplete and error check our C++ code. Once we search for the extension, you should install the first result from Microsoft. We can now close this tab, go back to our File Explorer, and create our first file. We will name it main.cpp. This will be where we write our code for our first C++ program. For this video, I won't go into details about what each line of code does in this program. What we're really hoping to do here is check if our C++ compiler was installed correctly. Feel free to copy what you see on this screen here. Once we have our Hello World program written out, we are going to save the program, and then come up to this tab here, under Terminal, and select New Terminal. This will open a new window here, where we can type the following command, ls-l, and what this will do is list all of the contents in the current directory, which in this case is the folder called CS135. As we can see here, we have a file called main.cpp. To compile our program, we will type the command G++, followed by our C++ program name, which in this case is main.cpp. If our program compiled successfully, we will now have an executable file in our directory called a.out. To run the executable file, we will type // followed by the name of our executable file, which in this case is a.out. If you see the output Hello World, this means that you installed your C++ compiler correctly. If at any time you make changes to your program and you want to run the program with those new changes, don't forget to compile the program again. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor or TA for this course. Thanks for watching.